nautical nails are perfect for any time of the year. Today we're going to work on this beginner nautical nails design that is both simple and cute for everyone to do. Let's go ahead and get started. First, apply a base coat of your choice. Next, apply your base colors. You need 2 white fingers and 3 gold fingers. When dry, apply gold glitter on the gold fingers. I applied 2 coats. Next, take a thin brush in navy and apply 3 stripes on your 2 white nails. I sped this part up because it took me a little while to get the lines to be straight. To add more gold, I took a thin brush and gold glitter and applied that on the top and bottom of the navy stripes. Next, I took several different diamonds and applied them on the stripe nails. Any combination in colors you want to use is up to you. I used a top coat to make the gems stick. For those wondering, this is the tool I use to pick up the diamonds. It's called a nail picker-upper. I got it at Sally Beauty Supply. Last, apply your favorite top coat. Now your nautical nails design is finished. Thank you everyone for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video and leave me a comment down below. If you guys try it out, please post a video response or post a picture on my Facebook page. The link will be in the description box below. See you guys next time.